Eastern Daylight Time. 6:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Hodges to Sandy Level, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danville, Chatham, Gretna, Brookneal, Phoenix, Ingram, and Mount Airy. This includes the following location: Danville Airport.
I'm waiting all afternoon to get one of these.